Welcome to the 21-day meditation challenge from Secret Beauty. I'm Claudia de la Cruz. Breath awareness meditation. Find a comfortable seated position with your back straight and your hands resting gently on your lap. Close your eyes and take a moment to settle into your body. Begin by bringing your awareness to your breath and notice the sensation of the air flowing in and out of your nostrils. There's no need to change your breath. Simply observe it as it naturally flows in and out. As you continue to breathe, gently bring your attention to the rise and fall of your chest and abdomen with each inhale and exhale. Feel the rhythmic pattern of your breath, like gentle waves washing over you. Mind begins to wander, gently guide your focus back to your breath. You can use a simple mantra like inhale, exhale to anchor your attention and bring you back to the present moment. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more relaxed and centered. Allow any tension or stress to melt away with each exhale, leaving you feeling calm and at peace. As you continue to breathe mindfully, imagine each inhale filling you with light and positivity, and each exhale releasing any negativity or worries. Stay with this practice for a few more moments, fully immersing yourself in the soothing rhythm of your breath. When you're ready, gently open your eyes and take a moment to notice how you feel. Carry this sense of calm and presence with you as you go about your day. May the peace you've cultivated stay with you always. Namaste. And see you tomorrow for our third day of meditation. That will be gratitude meditation.